Well, I'm hoping it's going to happen this Friday. We're going to get these trees taken out. The backlight's kind of tough, but they're hanging over the house. And after the tornado, I think that's the last warning we're going to get. That one, and see that one that goes up over the house. If you can tell, it's literally looks like it's leaning, but it's not. It's grown that way. So they're supposed to come Friday and take them out. And there'll be two less to worry about. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to shoot from the other side, so stand by. They were going to have to take the antenna down. I told them don't worry about it. Tornado took care of that. This backlight's tough, but those are the two trees on the other side. I'm going to try to slip up here. They're big, and they've already fallen branches and hit the house several times. And I think this is the one that took the antenna out. But anyway, we'll have two less to worry about come Friday. And then stand by, because that monster has got to go next. Stand by.